Hi, sir. How are you?
Very good, thank you. Thank
Firstly, thank you so much for taking out time and being live with us on Spotboy.
My honor. Thank you.
Last month, during an interview, I asked you about Kehne Ko Hum Safar Hai 3, and you told me that this time my character will surprise everyone. This is something which I have never done before, and
Right,
surely it came as a surprise. What
right.
kind of reactions you personally received after people watched your web series?
Well, I'm happy that my audience and my fans and my friends and my family, ये सब एक ही है वैसे. So I'm happy that they've all liked it.
Okay.
Uh, ये जो the character that I've done, इसको थोड़ा हजम करना मुश्किल है because people have not seen me like that.
Right.
So there is always a image that moves with the actor. Fortunately, I don't have such a strong image. People like to see me in different roles.
Yeah.
But इस तरह का जो रोल होता है, a lot of people might. The scare was that they might not like it. Uh,
Okay.
some initial reactions on the trailer were there. From a few close fans. And what I had told them also is that you see everything has to be put in perspective.
Right.
When you see something, uh, एक आदमी अगर पागलों की तरह दौड़कर कहीं जा रहा है तो आपको लगेगा कि वो पागलों की तरह दौड़ रहा है. हो सकता है उसके घर में
Mm-hmm.
आग लगी हो, तो आपको
Hmm.
नहीं पता कि उसके घर में आग लगी है. So everything
Huh.
needs to be put in perspective. And once these 10 episodes have dropped and the 10th episode has ended on the note that I wanted it to end. So now the complete circumference of the character is clear,
Okay.
and I think the fans of the show will enjoy watching the next,
Remaining episodes.
yeah, the next drop. Yeah.
What was your wife Neelam's reaction? When she saw you, behaving like a very young person, riding a bike, and then so what was her reaction?
तो आपका कहने का मतलब क्या है? सिर्फ यंग लोग ही बाइक चला सकते हैं?
नहीं नहीं बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं है बट आई एम जस्ट
हम
सेइंग
लोग.
क्योंकि मैं सरप्राइज थी आपको ऐसे देखकर आई मीन लाइक आई नो दैट यू कैन पुल अप एनी कैरेक्टर बट ऑब्वियसली आई वाज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस व्हेन यू सेड कि इस बार रोहित का कैरेक्टर बहुत डिफरेंट होने वाला है.
Right. So, no, she liked the show. Neelam is very critical about my work.
अच्छा.
तो हाँ, तो obviously फिर बीवी के साथ भी ये थोड़ा सा होता है कि how it will go down
राइट.
with her. But एक्टर की बीवी है तो और इतने साल हो गए, she understands what my work is all about. तो she's liked the show. She's liked my performance.
ओके.
She's like everybody else, like me, like everybody else. She's waiting for the rest of the episodes, जो 1st of July को ऐसा कहा गया है कि ड्रॉप होंगे.
ओके. बाकी जो बचे हुए एपिसोड्स हैं
जी.
मैंने ये वेब सीरीज देखी है एंड ऑलरेडी मतलब मैं 10 एपिसोड्स देख चुकी हूँ बट इफ
जी.
आई आस्क यू यू नो व्हिच वाज योर पर्सनल फेवरेट सीन दिस टाइम सो और समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग अराउंड दैट सीन इफ यू वुड लाइक टू डिस्कस.
You see, कुछ 25 साल हो गए, मेरे कुछ फेवरेट्स नहीं है. आई डोंट हैव
अच्छा.
फेवरेट्स.
ओके.
फेवरेट कलर, फेवरेट फूड, ये सब जब मैं बच्चा था तब होता था. उसके बाद आई स्टॉप्ड हैविंग फेवरेट्स फॉर सम रीजन. आई डोंट हैव एनी फेवरेट्स. तो और खास करके एक्टर के काम में एक पर्टिकुलर सीन चूज करना. तो हम लोग तो बिजी रहते हैं. जब सीन करते हैं तो ये सोचते हैं कि कहाँ से आ रहे हैं और क्या हुआ, अब यहाँ से क्या प्रोग्रेशन होगा, कहाँ जाएंगे. तो ये सारी बातें होती है दिमाग में. तो आई इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू आइसोलेट वन सीन एंड टू पिक अ फेवरेट. सो I can say that कहने को हम सफर है is one of my favorite shows.
I'm sure, and it is favorite of many, including
Thank
me.
you. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you.
but any complications you found, when you had to play a character like this?
Complications?
Yeah,
Oh,
did you find it complicated to, behave like a drunkard or, the kind of character or
no,
irresponsible person?
no, I'm an actor. That's what I do for a living. That's what my craft is all about. To convince all of you that my mother called me and asked me last night कि ये तुमने सीन किया तुमने क्या एक्चुअली पिया था तो मैंने कहा, नहीं but I think that's my job to convince people that
Eh, so what did you reply to your mother then?
so obviously I said that I was not drinking. I mean, you don't drink and shoot, but that's
Yeah,
an actor's job to convince people that
yeah.
he is the person that you're watching.
During this lockdown, a lot had happened in entertainment industry. Finally, it's being unlocked. How do you see this, that the CMO has given the permission, to start shooting with precautionary measures. But do you feel it is a safe atmosphere for the actors to step out and shoot?
You see, getting permission to shoot and actually shooting, दोनों के बीच में बहुत फर्क है. So
Okay.
getting permission is just a piece of paper on which there is a signature. But
Hmm.
given the current scenario and the way we are going and the way cases are rising every day, it's it's not impossible, but there is a lot. Like I said, it's a logistical nightmare. There are various people coming from various peoples. You don't know various places. You don't know where they are coming from. You don't know how they are coming. Public transport, local trains, buses. So
Hmm.
to keep it in control is very difficult. There are going to be lots of people who are going to be asymptomatic, and whatever checks, there are no real checks. There's only
Hmm.
the thermometer and visible symptoms like cough, cold, and
Hmm.
body ache. I mean, that's
Yeah.
so people could be having like I am allergic to dust, तो मुझे तो हमेशा ही cold होता है. तो so there must be other people. I'm sure there will be other people like that who will have the symptoms but not have the disease.
COVID.
There will be people
Hmm.
who will have no symptoms but will maybe carrying the disease. So you will never know. You will never know. It's
Hmm.
difficult to keep it in check. But however, having said that, work has to go on. So people
Hmm.
have to be careful. People have to go to work. They have to take precautions. They have to keep washing their hands. They have to stop touching their face. They have to wear their masks. And
Hmm.
masks of very high grade are available. If the workers cannot procure uh, the equipment, the personal protection equipment, I think then it's a good idea for the production to, on a daily basis, provide a PPE suit to the workers and may work like medical workers, so it'll keep them also safe and it'll keep the people around also safe. So, like I said, a lot of precautions need to be taken and the intelligent minds of our industry need to get together and kind of
Yeah.
figure out the protocol.
Okay, TV sets is what I am hearing that they are already getting up for the shoots and the sets are being sanitized and everything. The procedures are on. What about the films? You also have few films in pipeline. So what is the status? Are they also trying to resume the shoot as soon as possible?
Yeah, I'm sure everybody wants to go back to work, but I've just told you what the issues will be,
Yeah.
and if I get a call from any of my producers who are on floor currently, and if they want to shoot, I will definitely ask them what precautions they're taking.
Hmm.
So hence, this is something that getting together 150 people, we will have to kind of wait and watch how it pans out.
In this lockdown, we have suffered economically also, everyone for that matter. And, I was reading some time back that you are taking care of your employees and it is becoming difficult for you also now. So how long, with this kind of support, we all can survive as per you?
Uh, Different people will survive uh, for different, lengths of time. Uh, I don't have too much put away, but I mean, when that gets exhausted,
Hmm.
then I'll have to put my hands up somehow because I'm not ready to go and ask money from the public, uh,
Okay.
to support my people.
Hmm.
Although they are also part of the of Janta.
Fraternity. Yeah.
But
Yeah.
yeah, I till now I consider it my responsibility to take care of them.
Hmm.
Thankfully, in pockets, we are opening up. So hopefully, hopefully, things will start rolling again. If not with me, maybe they will be able to get uh, a job somewhere else with someone else who is working. So,
Hmm.
like I said, uh, uh, there's a lot of uncertainty, and we don't know
Yeah.
where we are heading and how we will reopen. And staggered, yes, but what will be the levels of reopening and how long will those levels reach? Not to reach normal, but the new normal of current times. So it's difficult to sit in my living room and assess the situation, uh, and say that, "Acha, aisa hoga." We don't know.
Huh.
In fact, I don't think any government knows where they are going. Everybody is playing it by the ear,
Yeah.
and that's the right thing to do because you do not know what is going to develop in the next 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So the government is trying, and rightfully so. They've opened up businesses. They should be opened, and we have to see how it works. Uh,
Yeah.
if it goes really bad, there will be no choice but to kind of take a step back. If it works, then we will take a step forward.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, coming back to कहने को हम सफर है, are we expecting any more like parts of that web series?
I think Ekta's already given a statement on
Hmm.
the further path for the show. I think you should refer to her statement.
But usually, people say that once playing a character, when it becomes monotonous. But here we can see series being made, and it is being loved by the audience also. So, as
Right.
an actor, how do you see this? I mean, do you feel that playing one character in three different series? I mean, like three parts. So, is it becoming monotonous for you?
No, 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 it's not at all. It's
So you
it's three seasons over 3 years, so it's not like a TV show where you're working every day on the show for the past 3 years. There's been 3 seasons, and all the 3 seasons have been different and progressive.
yeah.
So when anything is progressive, uh, then the boredom is not really there.
Okay. It was pleasure talking to you. Anything would you like to say to the fans who have joined us to watch this live session?
Yeah, I just want to say, guys, I love you, and I'm going to call out some names. Haider, Rohit, chalo jaldi karo. Manaf, I love you guys. Phantom, Asif, Phantom Boy. Vipul, hi, Vipul.
You can take any one of the question also if you wish.
They are just
From them.
praising me. They're not asking me anything. Hello, hello, hello. Love you. Yeah, love you too. Love from Punjab. Yes, love you too. Thank you. Love you too. Pranam. आपको भी pranam. आपको भी pranam. Love you. Thank you. Hi. Hi. All right, let's go.
Okay.
Unfortunately, I have a,
Yeah,
or fortunately, I have a
I
sting
know.
of, yeah, today.
Yeah, I know.
So,
Thank you so much, sir,
all
for
right.
joining us. It was pleasure talking to you again.
Thanks for having me. Say hi to Vicky, and
Sure.
love to all of you at the office.
Thank you. Thank you so
All
much.
right.
Take care.
Bye.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.